So 3 words to describe physics to me are boreholes, atoms and gravity. I'm a final year master's student studying physics with particle physics and cosmology. Particle physics is the study of particles which make up everything that we see. So it's on really small scales, and cosmology is the study of the universe and why it exists, how it exists, and what might happen when the universe ends. A borehole is a very narrow, deep hole that's dug in the ground, and they can be full of water. Putting a sensor down a borehole is really useful because people dig boreholes when they're building new buildings and they want to see what is underground before they build something on top of it. We use a magneto-optical trap, or a MOT. So this is a trap that consists of lasers and magnetic fields. This collects together a cloud of atoms, and then you can build sensors with them and use them to perform measurements. The borehole that we did our trial at was 50 metres deep. So we had a system on a long wire that we lowered all the way down to the bottom and back up again. Seeing things that I've learnt about in theory kind of working and using detectors and equipment to build something that works. Physics can sometimes be seen as something that's quite detached from people. I think gravity sensing and quantum sensing is something that is really directly applicable to everyday life. I studied maths, physics, further maths and chemistry at A-level, and I chose to study physics at university. I liked being able to apply maths to practical things, which is something that physics offers compared to more theoretical subjects. Studying physics at school is very different to studying at university, especially when it comes to doing experiments. You tend to get a list of instructions and you follow them, whereas when you get a bit further through university, the instructions don't really exist anymore and you have to make up what you're doing. I just like to have that independence and be able to apply that to an experiment. I think if you want to study physics at university, I don't think you should worry about not knowing exactly what you want to do in the future. There's always so much time for you to explore the different options you have. If you have just a base level of interest in the subject, you will find something that you really enjoy doing while you're at university.